Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a hotpoint WMA50 washing machine. It's alright, but it's got really bad bearings. So bad they're actually seized temporarily. There you go, yeah. That's I've had that before where they get stuck because they're so bad. You hear that kind of dugga 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 dugga. So it's moving there, we're nearly out. Okay. There's one bearing out. So I'm working at one side and then the other. Let's have a look and see if we're getting anywhere. Yeah, it is. It's pushing out the center there of that water seal, so we're getting some. That was a tough one. So there's the water seal, and that's leaked at some point, I guess. And there's the failed bearing, and you can see it's all rusty and quite lumpy. So 6207 RS, 6206 Z C4, but it's 6206 ZZ really. It's just a metal shielded on the outside. If you get to this point in the video and you think I'm going to show you how to fix it, well, really all you have to do now is push these back in. And what I would do is to get the new one in, take the old one, and this is a new one. I happen to have a spare one of these, but I don't have a spare of the bigger one. Take it and use the old one to whack it in. Just put it up, and it'll give it exactly the right pressure at the right place to push it in. And that's about it. So this one, that's the one that came out, and it's got a lot of play in it. When I say play, I can feel it moving a lot with my finger when I'm rocking outside to the inside. That's where I bashed it there. But the outside bearing was probably okay on that machine, just a bit worn. It's not as smooth as this one. Well, that's pretty good. That one's maybe out of a machine. I don't know what it's out of. It's another one. So, but the big one, the inner bearing, or the one that's closest to the drum, it's not in great condition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can open it up and see what's inside, because I'm probably going to do is strip this machine as I put it back together now. So I've got a little pick here. I'm trying to pick out that rubber seal. There it is, so you can see these are pretty snotted up, but they're not bad. So there is grease of a colour in there, but the rust has also set in all along the bottom. So I would imagine that bottom race is completely corroded. But you know, that's just what it is. Push this back in, should be able to. You see it won't seat properly where there's rust there, so that's the issue. The other side's fine. We can have a look if we want. It's dirty in there too. Smudged up with thick old brown grease, which means the rust has come into the grease. And that's that. Seal it back up again. See you later.